Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arya Cerdas Wijaya and my last name is 100 Acting. Today, I wanna presentate about my article review. The first article is about English teacher integration of digital technology. So, we are as English teacher. We are need to learn how to using technology in this era. It's because what this is the digitalization or era. We need using technology to teaching English our method, like AI, VR or metaverse based for learning. And what's benefit what we can get from that? Our we can get some like benefit like an engagement and modern teaching practice from using like AI or metaverse that can make our teaching methods more easily. It's because we can get help by AI for making some material content, and we can learning through using VR for the environment of a class. And what is strength of this article is based on classroom evidence. Teacher and student is actually satisfied about this method teaching. They really like how they can learn through AI. They can learn using metaverse for feeling the real environment without going anywhere. It's just in front class. But what's the weakness on this article is this only focus mainly on the teacher's perspective. It's because sometimes student is doesn't like this, and it's just making teacher really easy to make content. So it's just become a slop for teacher that doesn't want to think about like how do I say, to making a new creative content. They just depending on AI. That's why this is the weakness of the article. They just mainly focus to a teacher, not mainly focus to a student too. So we are move to next article. So the second is metaverse powered experimental English teaching. Nah, this is the content using like metaverse. And as we can tell about that, metaverse is become the one thing in the English teaching. Like imagine you can learn about like English culture without going to the English speaker country or foreign. We just sit down on our class and using our metaverse VR, and seeing the real time of or the real time of the environment. So what's benefit we can get from this article? We can create immersive and interactive learning, through the student. This method can be useful, they can be interactive, they can be immersive learning, and they can get motivate for learning English, and the teacher can more easily teaching English to this method. So what's strength in this article is it's so innovative, and it's because using the advanced technology like VR, like AI. And what's the weakness of this article is it's just require technology that's too expensive. I think VR is too expensive and technical skill. So if we are already have the VR, we must know how to operate the VR, or if we can use AI. Not all people can use AI properly, so they need to learn again about AI. So the interconnection in this article is VR, like I say, and AI. And third, application and VR, and application of VR and AI in college English teaching. Okay. Uh, just imagine you are learning using VR, not just AI but VR. It will be immersive and it will be awesome to learning through about AI with VR combination too. We can learn English teaching with this one, and the benefit is making learning more interesting. Uh, we can try new innovative, because it's no new innovative. People will get interesting in this method, and people, like I was saying before, people will be more interactive. Is because they are maybe just speaking to the metaverse NPC, and they can have dialogue, but the strength is showing practical technology, and the app and the weakness is technology access is might be limited, but sometimes some school can be afford this, but sometimes another school cannot. So it's just still expensive, and uh, some school need to learn about metaverse again, because not all school or all college is ready for this thing. Okay, we move to the next article. Okay, now it's DeepSeek and Grok after ChatGPT. Uh, by content review itu ada ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and English education benefit. But so we already use this all AI. We are learning about this AI. We are using this every day when we are want to doing our assignment, our paper, everything. We are using AI now. But how we can use AI in more properly in this article telling about that. So what's the benefit of this article telling about? Yeah, it's the benefits from AI. It can support our personalized learning. They can support our learning, and they can fix whatever we are goes wrong, and we can give advice to through our learn. And the weakness is just literally review only. It's because we are just reading, and it's a limited empirical evidence. It's not many apa not many evidence and interaction are related to this and AI integration in education. And we move to another article. It's talk about vocabulary master strategy and challenge. So this article telling about examine student in the vocabulary learning strategies, and how you can learn about vocabulary. You know about new vocabulary every day, every time. Well, okay. And what's benefit you can get from this article is it can help you to improve your vocabulary. You can add more vocabulary every day. You learn how to using that vocabulary vocabulary in your daily basis. And Yeah, the strength, yeah, student, yes, can be a centered qualitative finding. They can using like an AI or internet to learn about new vocabulary and looking for new vocabulary. And the weakness is just a limited sample and context. Yeah. And the interconnection is the technology tools. Yeah, the technology tools can support to learning new vocabulary every day. It's like I say, you can learn through the internet about new vocabulary, about uh, uh, about how to applicate to the daily basis, just like that. Okay, we move to another article. So here we are have a role of AI in English education. So uh, I am, yeah, I am the English educationer. Oh my god. So for me, AI is so important for me. So this is what's how's AI roles in our daily education basis. So this article telling about like a review the opportunities and challenge of AI in ETELT or English learning English education learning. So this article showing us to how big the impact of AI in our education, in our English education, and what if AI don't doesn't or never exist. So how big the impact, this article just focusing how the impact and how big the role of the AI in our education. So what the benefit after we are reading this article is it can personalize feedback and adaptive learning. So we can ask AI or yeah, asking AI to get a feedback after we are learning English language. Like we can ask how my pronunciation is it good or not, or just we can adapting the AI, how the AI to learning something from the English learn. After we are asking AI, we can learn about that from AI, so we can personalize that into our education. And the strength is balanced discussion of benefit and risk. It is like it is a balanced discussion of benefits, because sometimes we are overusing AI and we are become more depending on AI. We are cannot doing our assignment without AI, especially me, and we are become a slacking and sloppy for using AI. And interconnection in this article is its connection to our studies, the student the Chat GPT, DeepSeek, and Grok AI. Uh, uh, and reading comprehension through the multimodal literacy. So this article telling about how we can use visual, audio, and digital media for reading comprehension. We can use like AI. We can use Grok, DeepSeek, or anything like the technology we have to learn through about the reading comprehension. How to we can improve our reading. How to we can reading fast, as Miss Nida always told us. And the benefit, we can improve the literacy, our literacy comprehension. We can increasing our speed reading, and we can more efficient to read. And the weakness is to finding to may vary across contexts, like is too many theory, too many data, since there's no like no evidence about people that's yeah, there's too many data, like no people evidence. And is an interconnection in this article is a support technology for enchanting our English learning or English conversation reading. So I think that's all. And the conclusion, they're all connection about the AI, the technology, and the reading comprehension through all in one. We can use technology as our uh, learning or teaching method, but we must be careful to use that. Don't use that to very often, is because can consume us. So I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.